In today's lecture we will understand a very important topic: the relationship between sociology and other social sciences. Sociology does not study society in isolation. Rather, it is closely connected with many other disciplines like history, economics, political science, anthropology, psychology, and geography. Understanding these relationships helps us avoid confusion between subjects, write better answers in exams, and develop a holistic social perspective. So, let's begin. Sociology and history. First, the relationship between sociology and history. History studies past events, mainly in a chronological order. Sociology studies social relationships, institutions, and patterns, mainly in the present, but also considers the past. Key difference. History focuses on what happened. Sociology focuses on why it happened and how it affects society. Relationship. Sociology uses historical data to understand social change. History benefits from sociological concepts like class, caste, power, and institutions. Auguste Comte called sociology social physics and emphasized the historical method. Karl Marx used history to explain class struggle. Conclusion. History provides facts, sociology provides analysis. Next, sociology and economics. Economics studies production, distribution, consumption of wealth. Sociology studies social relations behind economic activities. Key difference. Economics focuses on money, markets, and material welfare. Sociology focuses on social behavior, inequality, and institutions. Relationship. Economic activities are shaped by caste, class, family, culture. Issues like poverty, unemployment, labor exploitation cannot be understood without sociology. Karl Marx clearly showed the link between economic structure and social structure. Conclusion. Economics explains wealth, sociology explains inequality and social impact. Sociology and political science. Now let us understand sociology and political science. Political science studies state, government, power, authority. Sociology studies social basis of power, political behavior of groups. Key difference. Political science focuses on formal institutions. Sociology focuses on informal processes like pressure groups, caste politics, ideology. Relationship. Voting behavior is influenced by caste, religion, class, education. Power is not only in the state, but also in society. Max Weber explained power, authority, and legitimacy sociologically. Conclusion. Political science studies power, sociology studies social roots of power. Sociology and anthropology. This is one of the closest relationships. Anthropology traditionally studied primitive societies, tribes, culture. Sociology traditionally studied modern societies, institutions. Key difference. Anthropology focuses more on culture and customs. Sociology focuses on social structure and institutions. Relationship. Both study kinship, marriage, religion, culture. In India, sociology and anthropology often overlap, especially in tribal studies. Radcliffe Brown and Malinowski influence sociological functionalism. Conclusion. Anthropology studies culture, sociology studies social organization. Sociology and psychology. Now, sociology and psychology. Psychology studies individual behavior, mind, emotions. Sociology studies group behavior, social interaction, institutions. Key difference. Psychology focuses on the individual. Sociology focuses on the group. Relationship. Social behavior is influenced by society, norms, values. Social psychology is a bridge between the two. George Herbert Mead explained how self develops through society. Conclusion: psychology explains mind, sociology explains social influence on mind. Finally, sociology and geography. Geography studies physical environment, human settlement. Sociology studies social life within that environment. Relationship, climate effects, occupation, lifestyle, social organization. Urban and rural sociology depend heavily on geographical factors. Conclusion: geography provides the setting, sociology explains social life within it. To conclude, sociology is a central social science. It connects and coordinates with all other social sciences. While other disciplines study specific aspects, sociology studies society as a whole. That is why sociology is often called the science of society. If this helped you, like and subscribe. Thank you.